Hi, welcome to the channel. It's Ant. Right, I'm out and about, just on the going on a run now, Saturday morning. Just my handlebars. Put a better stem on. A bit more of a riser. The new creep stem before was a little bit too low. Anyway, going back to this TZD. Going back to the TZD. Out and about now, and sweet as a nut. Okay, welding's rough, but there's my Hello Dave, and the batteries in my backpack behind me, so I tether my backpack with that. It's got another connection there, so if I come off, it's got a couple of connections that come out, so I've come off before many a time, and that just works, and that tethers to the back of the seat there. Try and take some video of me riding the bike now. Right, I'm on the bike now. Hope you can see this. Just going to use a bit of throttle. Near impossible to video yourself riding the bike, so I'm only doing this for a couple of minutes. But yeah, 34 tooth, smooth, and you can see that. Sweet. Go down the lane here, so this is Keegan's Lane, one of my little routes. When I say little, I don't think you can get the idea, but that is pretty steep. It goes up for about half a mile, 3/4 of a mile to the top. Anyone knows this area, it's bad coming down, never mind going up. We had some weather last few days and it's really churned it up, but it's warm, very close today. This is holding fantastic. I've just been climbing with it, and really pleased. Ant's bodge welding, but it doesn't matter. That's holding it. It's not moving, not budging, not twisting. Big difference in the chain line. My Hello Dave, the thud buster on the back. That works really well. And I've used the Suntour one as well, and that works extremely well as well, to be fair. The Suntour one has an internal spring in the tube and a cam, but that really is, it's a bit worn now. I bought it second hand. Yes, I'm about to, I wish I could have something to follow me up here, like a DJI Neo, but it doesn't matter, I will get round to it. But I'm going to use the throttle for going up here, like a trials bike, because you can't pedal on these rocks. You can, and I have done many a time, but when you've got assistance and you've got this kind of this is where the Newton meters comes in with the Tongsheng Z8, is my fat arse up this that climb there, and it's like that all the way to the top. So when I get to the top, I'll do another video to show you what it looks like at the top backwards. Right, this is rough as Desperate Dan's chin. You look down there. We had some proper water coming down here, because I was up here last Sunday and it was dry, flowy, great, but yeah, that's If I keep that level, that's how steep it is. So this, even with all the torque this thing's got no grip. The bike's pulling wheelies, but it's not too bad now. You come past this bit. This is Keegan's Lane, about a little way up, not far. Right, top of Keegan's. Going round the bottom of Melvamai now, but I can just zoom in there. To the top, not too bad at the top here. Just at the very bottom where the water's been a bit brutal, but it's a cracking run. Another part of the ride up there. You can go around the back of the mountains. Very privileged to be able to ride around here. And then I'll be going down there now. There's Payswood and the cement works. Stunning views around here. Absolutely wonderful. So, and the bike. The bike, not a hitch, not a skip. Not a skip, not a hitch, just worked absolutely fantastic. So really happy with this, and definitely going to progress now in getting these sorted out. So thanks for viewing the channel. This is why you need a 46 on the back, really. Well, obviously I was changing gear a minute ago, so that's not how it was as I was riding up, but yeah. Have a good weekend everyone, and ride safe. Cheers. Another part of the route here, being over the top there, ridge coming along, and then straight down that incline there, coming down through there, and across and through. Awesome. And then going up this hill is a real, anyone who knows this hill, it's not Puke Hill, Puke Hill's on the Melvamai side, and that's a cracker from the bottom to the top, but what scenery, it's absolutely stunning around here. So thanks for viewing the channel. Just thought I'd give you something different instead of just cogs and chains. And they do some trials biking up there just quickly. They have a trials bike event here annually, I think. Anyway, thanks again. Spoke too soon. Just come up the on the main road here now. Gear started ghost shifting and doing weird things. This has happened before. It's a new cassette, but all this torque just can't cope, I don't think. There's a spacer that goes in the back of that, and I think I did put a spacer in, but I'll just steadily get home now and then check it out. Well, it's gone from bad to worse. Hardly put any pressure on this thing because that cassette's woggling and waggling on the bloody Freehub body. Just come through the river here. The river's quite high actually. Anyway, I absolutely hate the derailleur for mountain biking. Road use fine, going to work fine, commuting fine. Mountain biking, I don't know how many cassettes have gone through and you hit the derailleur. Anyway, look what's happened here. Literally just started to pull off with here now. Look at the state of this. I'm going to take the chain off. I'm sick. I absolutely hate the derailleur. Every ride you go on, you've got to adjust it. There's something wrong with it. It's banging and clacking around. Motor gearbox units, that's the forward thing. Pivot, got it spot on. Anyone who's doing motor gearboxes, that's the future. This ain't the future of mountain biking. They've just come up with all these axis and remote control derailleurs. That's just scuttled me ride. And that item there's another 80-90 quid. And obviously my little thing was working fine. But this starts to wobble at the back. in the previous section. Obviously that's skipped the chain. God knows why. It's either that's come loose, but I doubt it. Either that's come loose or something on the Freehub body's worn. So there you go, folks. Just an update. Will this get me home? I've got enough torque to get my fat ass home. That's how simple the bike should be. The back should be a gearbox or front. The radio's in my backpack. Well, that was a long walk home. Got in now. Basically, I couldn't make a chain up to make a single speed because it doesn't work. And my rear cassette's lost teeth. The derailleur got a wobble on the back hanger. That and the cassette being wobbly. Just think the torque going through this is fantastic, but these systems can't cope because they're not designed for e-biking. The SLX 11 speed is just designed for analog biking. There we go. That works. That's got broken teeth. Probably where I've been trying to get a single speed so don't have to walk home. The hanger. So basically got a wobble on with a hanger. That's got a wobble on as shown in the video. And there you go. So new cassette, new derailleur, new chain. Over a ton. I tell you, the MGU gearboxes, they're going to upgrade these things. People, like I said, derailleurs been out for 100 years. Yeah, great, 100 years, but 2025. And when you're mountain biking and you're banging through rocks and all kinds of stuff, that to me is the Achilles heel of a bike for mountain biking. So anyway, food for thought, isn't it?